Across a world hungry for clean power, Tesla's next-generation solar roof arrives as a quiet revolution, transforming every ordinary rooftop into a living power plant that blends beauty, durability, and intelligence into a single sheet of sunlight. Unlike traditional panels placed on top of tiles, Tesla's 2025 solar roof integrates energy-producing glass tiles directly into the structure, allowing homes to generate electricity effortlessly without changing the silhouette of the sky. This new generation uses tempered architectural glass tested to withstand hail, storms, and decades of heat, and each tile now generates up to 22% efficiency, matching premium solar panels from companies like SunPower, REC, and LG. Real-time examples already shine across neighborhoods in Texas, Germany, and Australia, where homes powered by these roofs store daytime sunlight in Powerwall batteries and run through the night with almost no grid dependence. Tesla's 2025 tiles are priced between $18 to $28 per square foot depending on region, while traditional high-end roofing materials like slate or stone-coated steel range from $15 to $30, making solar roofs not just futuristic but cost-competitive. For comparison, standard rooftop panels cost $2.40 to $3.60 per watt from global manufacturers like Jinko, Trina, and Q-Cells, while Tesla's tiles offer the same output with the added value of lifetime weather protection. Homeowners pairing the solar roof with Tesla's Powerwall 3, priced between $7,500 and $9,000 across global markets, create a self-sustaining microgrid capable of powering a home during outages for up to 24 hours. In India, where power fluctuations are common, and in Europe, where energy costs rise sharply in winter, integrated solar roofs provide a practical path towards stable, clean, locally generated power. The design draws inspiration from early civilizations that built homes aligned with the sun's path, reminding us that humanity has always looked upward to capture energy long before the first solar cell was invented in 1954. Each tile contains hidden wiring, heat-resistant junctions, and edge-to-edge glass coatings that reduce dust accumulation, giving it durability measured in decades rather than years. Tesla's AI-based solar inverter, priced between $2,000 and $3,000, tracks energy production in real time, optimizing every beam of sunlight and automatically shifting excess power to storage or back to the grid. Factories in Nevada, Shanghai, and Buffalo are expanding production, aiming to reduce installation time by nearly 40%, making solar roofs more accessible to families in both developed and emerging markets. Governments across the world, from Japan to the UAE, are supporting integrated solar roofing because it eliminates land use, reduces emissions, and blends aesthetically into modern and heritage neighborhoods. The 2025 solar roof stands as a reminder that clean energy doesn't need to look industrial or complicated. It can be as simple as a home quietly absorbing sunlight and turning it into freedom. And as millions adopt these roofs in the coming decade, one truth becomes clear. The future of energy begins not in distant deserts or giant power plants, but on the rooftops we wake up under every morning.